Rocky. Rekan Hambai Tecoran Kuda.
On behalf of Rwng Tv Tiprasa and Kokborok, meena, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here and for and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming together, but about families and friends uniting to celebrate love, joy, and lifelong commitment. Create the love and union of right Miss PK Damakia and Groom Sir BP Meena. Two incredible things who have found So sit back, relax after this program and enjoy this beautiful celebration. Let's make this filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. As we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a wedding, we are celebrating a love story that has brought two amazing people together. Miss PK Damakia and Groom PP Meena. Have shared laughter, dreams, and countless beautiful moments leading up to this day. And today, in front of all of you, family, friends, and loved ones, they are ready to make a lifelong promise to each other. Marriage is a journey built on love, trust, and mutual respect. It's about standing by each other, fight through every joy and every challenges. And as we move forward,